Welcome to the spoken tutorial on fat-rich vegetarian recipes. In this tutorial, we will learn about benefits of fat, types of fat, a few vegetarian recipes. Fats are concentrated sources of energy. 1 gram of fat provides 9 kilocalories. We require fat for carrying and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat soluble vitamins. Fats in food are divided into two types, visible and invisible fats. Visible fats are the ones we can see. Example, oils, butter, and ghee. Invisible fats are those which we cannot see. These fats are naturally present in the food. Example, nuts, seeds, eggs, milk, and fish. Fats are essential macronutrients. Depending on their physical form, they are categorized into two types, solid fats and liquid fats. Ghee, cream, and butter are examples of solid fats. Cooking oils like sunflower oil, peanut oil, etc. are examples of liquid fats. More about fats has been explained in another tutorial. Please visit our website for more details. Let us now see the preparation of the recipes. Before we begin, note that one bowl mentioned in this tutorial is 150 milliliters. The first recipe is coconut dosa. To make this recipe, you will need 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of little millet, 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of whole black gram, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon oil or ghee, salt as per taste. Procedure: wash and soak the little millet, whole black gram, and fenugreek seeds overnight. Next day, grind everything into a smooth batter using little water. Transfer this batter into a bowl. Grind the grated coconut separately into a smooth paste using little water. Pour this into the batter we made earlier. Mix everything well. Cover the bowl and leave it to ferment for 6 to 8 hours in a warm place. Once the batter is fermented, add salt and mix well. Heat oil or ghee in a pan. Pour the batter on it and spread it evenly like a dosa. Cook it on both sides until done. Coconut dosa is ready. Two small dosas have around 6 grams of invisible fat and 5 grams of visible fat. The next recipe is mint leaves and curd chutney. To make this recipe, you will need 50 grams or 2.5 tablespoons of curd, 1 handful of washed mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts, 1 tablespoon of roasted flax seeds, 1 tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds, 2 green chilies, salt to taste. Procedure: take all the ingredients in a mixer jar. Grind them into a smooth paste without adding water. Transfer this into a bowl. You can adjust the consistency of the chutney by adding little water. Mint leaves and curd chutney is ready. Half bowl of this chutney has around 12 grams of only invisible fat. The third recipe is peanut curry. To make this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, 1 small glass of buttermilk made from 1.5 tablespoons of curd, 1 dried red chili, 1 washed and chopped green chili. You will also need 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 to 5 washed curry leaves, 1 handful of washed and chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon oil or ghee, salt as per taste. Procedure: grind the roasted peanuts and green chili into a paste using water. Keep this aside for later use. Heat oil or ghee in a pan. To this add cumin seeds, curry leaves and dried red chili. Saute them until the seeds splutter. Once the seeds splutter, add the peanut paste we made earlier. Cook this for 5 to 6 minutes. Next, lower the flame and add the buttermilk and salt. Mix well and cook for 5 minutes. Transfer this into a bowl and garnish with coriander leaves. Peanut curry is ready. 1 bowl of peanut curry has 9 grams of invisible fat and 5 grams of visible fat. Our last recipe is stuffed cottage cheese. To make this recipe, you will need 100 grams cottage cheese, 30 grams or 1.5 tablespoons of curd, 2 handful of washed coriander leaves, 2 washed green chilies. You will need half teaspoon of red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. You will also need 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee and salt as per taste. We will first make the stuffing. Grind coriander leaves, salt and green chili into a coarse paste. Do not add water while making the paste. Keep this aside for later use. Take curd, spices and salt in a bowl. Whisk it until smooth. Now cut cottage cheese to 3/4 slices to accommodate the stuffing. Fill the stuffing in between 2 slices of cottage cheese. Dip this in the curd mixture. Ensure all the sides are coated well. Keep this aside. Heat oil or ghee in a pan. Shallow fry the cottage cheese on a medium flame. Cook until all sides are cooked. Remove them onto a plate. Stuffed cottage cheese is ready. 3 pieces of cottage cheese have around 15 grams of invisible fat. They have around 5 grams of visible fat. Include these recipes in your daily diet for good health. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for joining.